Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. This week's video is going to be me picking this Yale k200. I got it off Facebook Marketplace for £18, which was a steal. I haven't seen anyone pick up one of these on YouTube before, or anywhere else for that matter. So I was lucky to find it on Facebook and hopefully get it picked for you. But that's the bitten. Now the interesting thing is that the core in here, because of the key that I'm looking at, doesn't show that there is a sidebar or any side pins, where this one has 6 normal pins and it's got a sidebar with side pins. So I've got another one of these which came with the bottom plate a little bit loose, and what I did was I got a jigsaw, took the blade out and held it in my hand and just had the jigsaw vibrating this lock, well, the other one that's in the garage, and I managed to get the bottom plate off. Now when the plug came out, I was actually able to pick it. However, this one in the lock I have not been able to pick in, I've had that lock for about 12 years now, and that's been modest, probably is a little bit longer. So I'm still not into that one, but I am going to pick that one for you. So I'm going to whack it in the vise and we're going to see if we can get it open. Right, change of angle because I wasn't getting anywhere the other way around. Top of the keyway tension. Actually, I'm going to have a stiffer one in there. I'm going to use the short SS Dev first. Fell into a false set. Now it's just a case of finding what's causing the false set. I'm going to go in with a deeper hook. That was 6. 5 went there. 4, 3, 2. Slip with a tension wrench. 1, 2, 3. We're getting counter a bit. Oh. I might have to let off the tension because I may have overset something. One's giving us counter. Yeah, we have the lock open. Buzzing to have that on camera. And let's get it gutted. Oh. So that's the Yale k200 picked. Absolute monster of a lock. I can't wait to see what's inside this bad boy. Wasn't too bad of a time actually, to be honest. So we've got the plate, we've got the cover caps, big ring, and the core. Inside there you'll see the actuator, which corresponds with the groove on the back of the plug, which spins Let's see. Which basically spins that in the lock, which allows the ball bearings to sit in here, which allows the shackle to open. When this is spun that way, i.e. pointing the rounded bits into the shackle like that, if you can see that, you'd have a ball bearing there and a ball bearing there, which wouldn't allow the shackle to come back up. However, when you turn it that way, the ball bearing slides into that little groove there, which allows the shackle to move up because both the ball bearings can move in. So let's have a look at this then. Absolutely buzzing to have that on camera. I'm going to lock it back up. So I've got the key. Let's see what's inside here. Use one of my fancy plug followers off John Eggington. If I can get this off. Jesus. Titanium. Solid titanium. Check the finish on them. There's another two there as well. Let's just see. Should I use a shim or should I not use a shim? Let's use a shim just to be sure. Are you coming in to help us?
I want the iPad.
You want the iPad? No. You don't want to come and help Daddy take this lock apart? You want to pass us the tools? They're the tools. Keep all of that one for Daddy. Good boy.
Oops.
You silly plonker. You got a party today, haven't you? Whose party are you going to?
I got two Joshua.
You've got two Joshuas.
It's just normal Joshua.
This is just normal Joshua.
Yeah.
All these little pins, mate.
I only need this.
I need what, mate?
Need this.
Not yet, leave that one in there. We'll get it out in a second.
My hands don't fit.
Good lad.
Hey, what is this? What is this?
Give us a look, mate.
It's a knob.
It's an extension bar for the screwdriver.
Like this one.
When are you going to pick your first lock? Daddy showed you, yeah.
Oh, these can't spin.
It can't spin.
Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah. Mimi's got the iPad upstairs, you know.
I don't like Roblox.
You don't like Roblox?
No.
I don't blame you, it's boring, isn't it?
Yeah. I like Blippy Monster.
You want Blippy Monster trucks on, yeah?
Yeah. Later I can pick a lock.
Later you can pick a lock. You want to pick a lock with Daddy, yeah? Good lad.
Huh. And them spikes. Daddy, them spikes.
There are the little bits to put on the end of the screwdriver.
They're not spikes.
They're not spiky.
They're not. They're not.
They're not.
No.
They're not really spiky, just a little bit spiky.
Oh.
Right, so that was the Yale k200. Solid stainless steel shrouded padlock. I'm guessing it's well very high security lock. That was the bitten. If you're not already a member, head over to the Facebook group Locksport Anonymous. All the links are in the description below. John Eggington, thanks very much for these plug followers once again, mate. Please like, share and comment, and I shall see yous on the next one, and enjoy the slideshow.